Well, in the last half hour, we told you Advent Health is urging pregnant women to get vaccinated due to a higher number of severe hospitalizations among that particular group. But tonight, the latest data from the CDC shows more than 80% are still unsure about getting the shot. News 6 morning anchor Kirsten O'Connor spoke with a mom-to-be who was on the fence.
More than half a year since the rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine, pregnant women are still nervous about getting vaccinated.
Nearly every day, someone will call and say, I'm thinking of getting pregnant. Can I go ahead and get the vaccine? And we say yes.
If you ask OBGYN Dr. Ashley Hill with Advent Health, misinformation about the shot is still swirling.
I think that's what we have here. It's just a myth that somehow got out and it got loose and someone got a hold of it. And it just, in the digital world, one piece of information can go crazy and go viral.
A CDC report shows between December 2020 and May 2021, just 11% of pregnant moms got fully vaccinated.
So it's just honestly this constant battle raging in my mind of like, should I get it? Should I not get it?
Julia Incinelli is 6 months or 27 weeks pregnant right now and tells me after a previous miscarriage, the decision to get the shot during this pregnancy has not been easy.
So I'm like, okay, what's the worst thing that could possibly happen? Like I lose my daughter. And like, while I know the chances of that are remote, it still has me feeling hesitant about the vaccine because it's not FDA approved.
Julia is seeing a midwife for her prenatal care, and she is recommending the COVID-19 vaccine. Julia says she's feeling more reassured about meeting her daughter with every passing week.
But now, just with cases being on the rise and then having baby showers planned and like being around a bunch of people I haven't seen in a while that aren't in my normal circle, I'm like, well, like, what's the harm in just getting it? So long story short, I'm still very conflicted.
Dr. Hill encourages all pregnant women to call their doctors if they have questions about the vaccine.
We would certainly much rather you be reassured with medical advice from an actual doctor than from some random person on the internet who may not know the answer, right?
It's frustrating because I just want someone to give me a straight answer. But again, like that's honestly the blessing of having informed consent and you being able to make your own medical decisions is that no one can force it upon you.
Getting results for your health. Kirsten O'Connor, News 6.
So since the interview, Kirsten has heard from Julia and she is strongly considering getting vaccinated.